Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front brake pad rotor and brake pad sensor on 2017 Mercedes GLE43 AMG. So you see in here is a sensor over there, and so let's get started guys. So let me show you. Need to remove the caliper retainer clip first, okay? Remove here. Okay, it's out. So next, remove the screw in here. It's number we use T30 and 2 pin in here, okay? Just remove this out to clear the rotor. So I just crack loose a little bit. You see 2 pin here, the whole rotor. It's out now, and one more. Okay, it's in there. And next, let me move the camera in here. Gonna remove the caliper sensor in here. Remove the sensors out first. Sensor plug we use is a E10, okay? On a brake caliper slider on this car, I don't know why I use all my tool, it won't fit it, so I'm gonna use the other technique. Just remove the whole calipers out, and we swap the new pad inside without remove the brake caliper slider. So this one, what number is it? I use number, it's 21, okay? 21 millimeter socket. Okay, perfect. I don't know what size of the caliper slider number. So it's out right now. See it? It's a brake pad. It's all gone. And next, remove the downer brake pads out. I'm gonna swap the brake pad in here without remove the slider. The caliper slider pin in here, I don't know what the size of it, you know, to remove it, what side of tool. It's hard, so I'm gonna do that way. It's much easier for me. Try to use this tool, why it fit or not. Yeah, it fit it. But don't forget, okay, you still need to apply some special grease on the slider in here to make it look in and out easier. So camera in here, so you can see it clearly. Yeah, the caliper go in so smooth. So this car is brand new, so okay, it's in now. After you push the caliper piston in, let me remove my tools out from the caliper. This is special grease that I got it, and I'm gonna apply it on the slider. Sorry. Apply it, it's all around. Sorry, this time. After all the caliper in place. Good, not as strong though. Okay, just hold the caliper in place, and it's time to remove the rotors out. Sorry, we use this one is a T30. Okay. T30. So after you remove everything out, make sure you clean the surface of the hub. Clean right now, nice and clean. It's after you check, make sure it's clean, and the next we're gonna install the new brake rotor back in. But before I install the brake rotor, I want to show you the part number. Okay, this is part number for the brake pad is A00042012005. It's a brake pad, and the sensor is no part number, but when you call dealership, you can ask them for the brake pad sensor, they will give it to you. And the rotor part number is A16642111600. It's a rotor part number. Okay, so let me install it. I think the panel would be it's very heavy, very heavy one. Okay, so let me rotate it. Okay, this one. Gonna spray W40 a little bit. And don't forget to pen, okay? Just to pen here that we removed earlier. All good now. So you see the rotor is the opposite, but other side gonna be the rotation. It's the original they designed like that. So see, let me show you the old rotor that I removed it. It's same thing. It run opposite. Okay, so right now it's time to install the new brake pad. Okay, like I said, I'm not remove anything out, just install in there because let me show you the pen. You see it? The caliper slider, I don't know what tool it fit with this one. Maybe it's probably a special one, but I don't have one, so I just do my procedure, that's all, not remove it. So when you install it, make sure you install the new brake pad, the inner pad first. You see they have the clip to hold the brake pad. Just install it. It's hard to put the camera. It's in now. Yes, it's in properly right now. It's one in right now. Let me show you. See, already in, but don't install the sensor yet. Okay, just install the pad, the inner and outer first. So let me put the camera in here. And the outer brake pad, they have the plastic cover in here. Just cover it because this one is sticky. Gonna stick to the caliper. So let me install it. It's in now. Hello? So right now I already installed it. See the inner and outer brake pad. So it's time to put the caliper back. Give me a second. Okay, so let's install it. You do that way is a little bit easier because we don't have tool for the slider, so nothing can do. Oh. That's what's wrong. It's in now. Put the ball back. And upper ball in and lower ball out. So it ties in. It ties up at the ball a little bit. Okay. So like I'm gonna put the brake pad sensor lock back. stuck in here. Okay, it's in and ties it. Okay, and let's install a brake pad sensor. And the last part, just install a retainer clip. This is the last part one. Easy to install it. Is all set now for one side, but on the on the driver's side brake pad and rotor, it doesn't have the sensor. Okay, and the way they install and remove, they are the same setup. So I just show you one side on passenger side, and you should be good to go. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and thank you.